Long ago, in a busy town with wooden houses and green fields, lived a boy named Wei. He wore a green shirt and a straw hat, his hands always dirty from playing. Wei was a good boy, but he loved to show off. He told his friends big stories, like how he caught 10 fish in one day or climbed the tallest tree. Most of it wasn't true, but he liked their smiles and cheers. One day, Wei heard that a wise teacher, Confucius, was visiting the town. People said he could see through lies and teach anyone to be better. Wei thought, "I'll meet him and show him how great I am." The next morning, Wei ran to the town square. It was full of people, men with carts, women with baskets, kids running around. In the middle sat Confucius. He had a long beard and wore a red robe. His face was calm, but his eyes were bright. Wei pushed through the crowd and stood in front of him. "I'm Wei," he said loudly. "I'm the best fisherman in town. I caught 10 fish yesterday." Confucius looked at him and smiled. "Sit down, Wei," he said. Wei sat, proud of himself. Confucius handed Wei a small bowl of rice. "Eat this," he said. Wei took the bowl and ate fast, spilling some rice on his shirt. "Good," Confucius said. "Now tell me, how many fish did you really catch?" Wei laughed. 10, I told you." Confucius shook his head. "Look at your shirt," he said. Wei looked down and saw the rice stuck to his green shirt. "You ate quickly to look strong, but you made a mess. Lies are like that. They make you look big for a moment, but they leave dirt on your heart." Wei's face turned red. He didn't like this. Confucius stood up and walked to a tree. He picked up a small stone and gave it to Wei. "Throw this into the river," he said. Wei ran to the river at the edge of the town. He threw the stone hard and it splashed into the water. He ran back, smiling. "I threw it far," he said. Confucius asked, "Did the river care?" Wei stopped. "No," he said quietly. "The river doesn't care how far you throw," Confucius said. "It flows the same. People are like that too. They don't need your big stories. They need your true self." Wei sat down again, feeling small. He thought about his friends. Did they like him for his lies or for who he was? That night, Wei couldn't sleep. He remembered Confucius's words, the rice on his shirt, the stone in the river. The next day, he went back to the square. Confucius was still there, teaching. Wei walked up slowly. "I lied," he said. "I only caught 1 fish, and I never climbed the tall tree." The crowd was quiet. Wei waited for them to laugh, but Confucius smiled. "Now you are clean," he said. "Truth is hard, but it makes you free." Wei went home with a light heart. The next time he played with his friends, he didn't tell big stories. He said, "I caught 1 fish today," and they still smiled. He helped them carry water and laughed when he tripped. Life felt easier. Wei learned an old lesson from Confucius. Lies hide you, but truth shows who you are, and that's enough. That's the end of our story today. Did you feel Wei's lesson from Confucius? If you loved this wise tale, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more English stories. Hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Maybe we'll learn another ancient secret together. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.